All right, we're here at West Blalock Park in Venice, the Arboretum, I think it's also called, here with my family. And we're gonna do some urban sketching. There's a lot of really interesting trees and plants around here. Great place for botanical drawings. I think I'm gonna draw this gazebo right behind me here just to start out. We're gonna try to do some quick sketching today, not really spending a lot of time on any particular drawing, just kind of documenting the area. So let's get started. Okay, this is our perspective here. We found a nice shading spot, and we're trying to work on establishing the big shapes first, setting all the proportions correctly before we get into all the small details. That's my son over here. We've been drawing for about 15 minutes and we're realizing that we set ourselves up with a very ambitious challenge drawing this gazebo. There's just so many geometric shapes, and now there's some kids that think that we're drawing them. So, but I think I'm done with my sketch. I'm going for more of a gestural thing. I'm not really trying to get every angle perfectly and every shadow, but I'll show you what I have so far. I'm gonna start watercoloring now. So I have that, and the proportions are way off. I already know that. But we're just getting warmed up here. I got my watercolors out. I'm going to drop some color in there and then try to pick out some details once the paint is dry with my ink pen. Let's see where these guys are at. Can we see yours, Addie? Nice. Oh, that's looking really nice. Very detailed. Okay, so I just put in some background colors, just a quick wash. And our sun went away. It looks like a storm's moving in. So I don't have any more shadows, unfortunately. I really wanted to paint some shadows and some highlights because that really makes it pop. But I think we can still get a nice drawing. I think I also just felt a raindrop. Let me see how yours is going. Beautiful. I like the trees. She got a blue jay in there because we just saw one fly over us.
That's another raindrop, Papa.
Yep, it's gonna start to rain on us. Let me see how yours is going. Very nice. We got a little bit of sun back, but the wind's picking up, and unfortunately we have to go. We have other things to do today with the family, so I can't keep going, but I think it turned out okay. I might have maybe 45 minutes into this. I'll probably put the finishing touches on at home, but this was fun. We'll definitely come back out here for more sketches. Let me show you what the kids did. Actually, my daughter took hers, but that's my son's. He's 11 years old, by the way. Great little artist. So we're still here, and I'm putting some ink details on this. I think it's really making it pop, but the exciting news is that we just spotted a hawk that caught a dove that's up in this tree. The blue jays are making a huge stink about it because they're... Okay, it's a sharp-shinned hawk. My son's the animal expert. Oh, I didn't catch it. Flew away.
Let's not follow it around because they're pretty shy.
Okay, so in addition to beautiful plants and trees, we got a lot of wildlife around here, so we like it here. All right, unfortunately, we do have to wrap it up, but I'm gonna finish at home. So the next image you'll see will be my finished drawing.